In the 21st century, our phones have become more than tools. They're extensions of who we are. But are they shaping us more than we shape them? Welcome to the smart age. We live in a world where being online is no longer optional. Notifications, messages, and digital feeds create a rhythm that defines our daily routine. But constant connection comes at a cost: our focus and peace of mind. From smart lights to AI-generated playlists, automation makes our lives easier. Yet, every time technology decides for us, we trade a bit of our independence for convenience. The line between help and control is getting thinner. Our online profiles have become reflections of our reality, sometimes more polished than the truth. In this digital mirror, we curate ourselves for likes, not for authenticity. But what happens when we start believing in our own filters? Technology isn't the enemy. It's the mirror of our choices. The smarter the world becomes, the more we must ask ourselves, are we evolving with it, or losing what makes us human? Thanks for watching. If this made you think, subscribe for more reflections on life, technology, and the future. This is the Smart Age.